So let's continue the remaining part of sending a smart form as an email attachment. So here finally we'll get the data in this li underscore content underscore hex. So in the previous lecture we will learn how to send the attachment. So I'll just comment this. Okay, so if you require now you can send both attachment, internal table as well as the smart form. Okay, as of now I'm commenting this. So now instead of checking binary file, I will check here the new table li underscore content hex. Okay, and this time the format is PDF, and let's say like demo sf attachment. This will be the file name of the attachment, and here we'll pass that li underscore x. Save, check, and activate. Remaining everything going to be same. Attachment part, no change. Only this attachment part will change. So whenever you want to send a smart form as attachment, the important part is you should know this. And if you work in a smart form, this is a common thing. Every time we make use of this function module, we pass the control parameter, we get the OTF data, we convert that to PDF. This is a common thing, not a like very complex thing. Just the concept we have to know how to do the attachment. Okay, so I will set a reviewer now. I will set a breakpoint and we'll see that because the previous code I comment. So yeah, I will set one breakpoint here. Okay, execute. Select this attachment and with SF as attachment. Smart form as attachment PDF. I will save this attach underscore SF. Fine. I will just execute. See, once we create a selection screen, now it is easy to test. So if you are learning first time, now create a selection screen. So this is the SF name. We got a function model name here. We can see the function model name 72. Pass the details. Call the FM. We can see here the OTF data is there. This is the OTF data. Okay. So now this OTF data will be converted. So here you can see the file size, the PDF data. Okay. So let's go ahead. This will convert loop. Set a breakpoint here. F8, F6. You can see the hex content here. Okay. The attachment part. Just check whether I have set a breakpoint there or not. Okay, there is no attachment. It's still set a breakpoint here. Yeah. So here the contents are there. So the file name will be demo sf attachment. If I press F8, email sent successfully. So now if I go to SOST transition code, if I refresh, see the with SF as attachment. Select this, display, see the attachment, PDF file. See the same smart form output which I shown in the smart form transition code. Okay. So as I explained earlier, I am not creating any new smart form here. So the prerequisite is to learn this like how to send a smart form as an email attachment. You should know the smart form concept and the basic knowledge of converting that, calling the smart form. Fine. So in this way, we're done with the session on sending the smart form as an email attachment in the PDF format. Thank you.